Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is doing a little bit different here. So this is a keyboard that I built last week, and well, from the recent video update anyway, and found out the issues with this is because how this glorious one, the RGB light is on the top, not at the bottom, so the light does not shine through. It was very unfortunate. So like the side keycap gradient does not work very well. Like I cannot see it even like with other lights on. So unfortunate. I would have to pretty much unplug. So plan is unplug off the keycap, and then I got the new set of keycap here to replace it, and this is actually top print, so it probably should shine through, no problem. I think I forgot. Oh, never mind. There's no tape. That's good. There's no tape here. That's fine. I should have to be gentle before I fucking flip the whole goddamn things over. Yeah, so this style is definitely kind of cool. I like it. I noticed that this is more a cyberpunk kind of style, so give it a try. Oh my god. The whole thing. Oh Jesus, okay. I can move my mouse here. Set it aside. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of pretty cool looking. Oh, I took the top of this off with the other one. Oopsie. Pretty cool though. I like this keycap actually. I also found it like really nice, like a Galaxy keycap kind of deal. So I'm excited, but I haven't bought it yet. I have so many ideas for keycap style. And actually, I am planning to build one that is football related for somebody. Yeah. Okay, so let's start with taking these keycaps off. Yeah, even right now, so I can even see this very well. Very unfortunate. So yeah, I mean, this video may be long, maybe short. I don't know how my speed is like pulling these up and then putting everything back in. But yeah, I will be building another one. I don't have. I'm not gonna do another like testing for this because I already tested this one from when I took the video. So oh my god, I'm struggling. There's no testing needed. It's mostly note the switches work just fine. Oh my god, I do want to make sure though. Switches off, just the cap. Try to be as gentle as possible. Be yoinking everything out. Let's see. Oh my god, so recently I've been thinking about, since I get showing my hands a lot, I'm thinking about like I don't know, it'd be a good idea, but like paint my nail a little bit. I don't know, doing black, be a hand model for fun. I don't know, something different. They have pretty hand, kind of do. I'm a little skinny, pretty hand, but skinny. They're painted black or something. I don't know, for fun. Oh my god, imagine I'm doing this with nail. The click clack. I don't know if I can do nail though. I can barely handle my nail getting slightly long here and I have to cut it. So we'll see about the nail. But I would love to. Getting it painted would be fun. I hate when I have to pull both out like this. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to do the review of the gift my friend did, and I realized that I did not do in my video, so I have to actually remember to do this in here, in this one, because I totally forgot about it. And if you know people, friends who enjoy this kind of content, share with them, spread the word, spread the love, help help this channel a lot, expand out the community, you know what I'm saying? That way, get more people, get more engagement, get more people coming visit. It'd be fun. Build the community. I'll eventually get better at like managing my social media. I still have to create a Facebook for this, my channel. And I still have to do a post more often on Instagram too. That's what I need to do. I need to do short. Oh, so much idea. Like enough idea just to building the keyboard and then managing everything too. I need to be better at it. Pulling this big one is a little tricky. There we go. Oh, I should probably pull the laid out, huh? 96% laid out. Oh my god, struggle. Maybe like when I hit a certain subscriber, maybe when I hit 1,000 subscriber, I probably have a lot of keyboard by then. I'm gonna do like a give shit, what does it call? Giveaway. Yeah. To giveaway make some keyboard. When I hit 1,000 subscriber. A long way to go, but when I get there, will be a lot of keyboard to do. So or maybe do a giveaway 500. Do a giveaway 500 subscriber. That would be dope. Because you get into you see the whole how the keyboard being built and stuff like that. Then I should need to start linking. I mean, a lot of these stuff apart from Amazon at the moment. I'll eventually like buy some from like some keyboard website too and stuff like that. I do. You know what I miss? I used to. Okay, story time. Y'all just yapping. I used to do Twitch streaming, but I'm okay gamer. I'm not the best. I don't think I want to stream game, but like maybe when in the future when I build, I can probably stream like stream me building this, stream when I do, and then stream when I do stream like just an hour or so. Building the keyboard would be fun. Maybe stream when I do keyboard review too. I do want to do keyboard review in the future. That's kind of be the plan. Oh, another thing I would love to do too is that like be able to eventually build some of the keyboard for like some of the streamer that I like, the smaller streamer creator. Would be dope. random thought though. One thing I always wanted to do on my bucket list. Oh my god, hold on. Why am I struggling? There we go. On my bucket list, one of the, in a way, besides traveling, is like I wanna have like one of the drag queen put me in drag. That would be dope. Let's see how pretty I look. Of course, I know I can walk in heel, but I tell Faye like, you know, I'm not gonna do all that extra performing, but like, I think it'd be fun to like be put in drag. I want like a very, I don't say simple, but more, not like extremely dramatic, but more like different, you know. Plastic tiara. Oh my god, imagine she'll put me in drag. You pretty looking bitch. Ugh, son of a bitch. Wait, can I cuss? I don't know. Would YouTube now fucking monetize? I mean, I'm not even monetized yet, but like, YouTube being so strict, can't even cuss. Can I cuss? Okay, we're almost there. Switches we stay the same. We're not doing too much with that. You know what? Another thing besides me yapping, maybe I should have like a topic to talk about. I probably need to just start writing all that shit down too. I'm so bad at planning sometimes. Writing down what to talk about. Maybe storytelling. I don't know. Oh my god! I don't know if y'all watch Bailey Sarian. She does a makeup and then tell like murder mystery shit. I could do that, but good lord, I had to look up. I mean, that fucking video would end up like an hour and a half long. Because putting this is me talking and doing multitasking sometimes not the best. Sometimes I don't, you know. A lot of my friends, a lot of people support me, said that, you know, my video relaxing, which is good. That's the whole plan, is relaxing. Not trying to be stressful. Stressful. I want to build keyboard for a lot of people. So, like, to my friend, maybe even my boss at work. I mean, it could be like a game, maybe use it for working, I don't know, but I like my boss at work. Oh shit, can I do it? Oh my god. Okay, why am I struggling with this? Lord help me. Hello? Okay. You know, funny thing too, story time. Just something like that. Is that I used to try like YouTube and like doing so many different things. I tried YouTube a long time ago. Tried to do like, I don't know if you guys know like Tyler Oakley Corner Fantas. I don't know, I forgot his last name, but yeah. So just like yapping type of random stuff. I tried to do that, but it's just like, you know, those get old, those get stale. And then I did like a few videos of that. I quit, didn't do it anymore, and then like I started to do a reaction video about like horror movie trailer stuff like that, funny stuff, and then I feel like that's not really authentic because you have to watch a video and then react to it, like, you know, pretend it's like, I don't know, it doesn't feel really authentic to me, and it's like you only with one take it, you're fucked up. It's like, okay, how are you gonna react it again, kind of thing. So it's like took me a while, and then I ended up on this, and it's like I enjoy building keyboard, learning, building my own keyboard, building for people, stuff like that. So it's like I've been really finding this really enjoyable and relaxing with lo-fi music on top of that. You know. Oh. Okay. Shit. Fucking, I knew it. I knew I'm gonna bend it. Alright. That's successful. Now we'll just put this together. Ooh, oh, it's kind of clear too. I don't think I can see it, but it's like kind of clear on the sides of the top. Very, very cyberpunk. Very cyberpunk. I like this. I like it. Let me look at the camera. Move this over here. Move this here so make it easy. Here we go. Yeah, hold on. Let me make sure to do a little testing here too to make sure it shine through. I think it should. I don't see a reason why it's not. But we'll see. Oh my god, that shit is bright. Yeah, you can still kind of see it, but you can see the top of it. Yeah, that should be good. Oh, that shit is bright. Right in my face. I'm gonna plug it in again to take a look at it. So far, building 7580 full size. I don't think I built 60 yet. I might make a 60% keyboard sometime in the future. Right now, I still have like 3 keyboards built. I don't think I have any keycap, which is I probably need to. Okay, I'm so stupid sometimes. I either overstock on switches, and I don't have any keycap, or I have too many keyboard and I don't have keycap or switches for it, and I have like keyboard and switches don't have the keycap. I'm a mess, yo. I'm a fucking mess. Send help. Send help. Oh yeah, back to the YouTube thing. Oh my god, I swear I don't think I have ADHD, but I'm so random sometimes. Is that I struggle. Go. Yeah, this is the more consistent for like making YouTube for me, and I actually, because I enjoy doing this, and that's really fun to do. Very different. I think that's gonna turn out really cool from what I see so far. I like it. Oh, that upside down. I was like, wait a fucking minute. I also need to think of like a new camera angle. I think I found like some of the example camera. Maybe I can, I don't know if I want to show my face. maybe face reveal. I don't know. But do a little camera, different camera angle to look a little bit different. That's what I'm thinking of. That'd be cool. It's a solid. I don't think it's shine through. I mean, it's front face, so it should be okay. If I fully put everything on, I'm gonna have to plug it in again to make sure. Yeah. So like the camera angle, I'm thinking like doing something different. Wait. This is cute. Okay. Maybe have two different camera angle. Maybe I do have a Logitech camera. Maybe I can use that to like show my face and then talking, looking down from the side, or maybe I can just do camera on the side, zooming down from like this end here, like zooming this way, and then my face. That may be an idea. Try different thing, you know. I'm still experimenting. Okay, this are linear. Yes, this is linear. I have so many spare switches now. Fuck, what am I gonna do with all of that? Imagine making a keyboard that have like clicky, linear, and tactile. And I will call that a menace keyboard. A chaotic keyboard. Oh my god. Imagine it. Damn it. I forgot what I put these on top for. Shit. Slightly different for those that you Oh, I'm supposed to do some stuff to make like a short video too. If I have like some short idea that can help me out. I forgot to like do the little weird thing people do when I watch like something short about building keyboard. The little put the keycap in and then like do the whole edit and then like it's like complete or whatever. Okay, from the camera angle, it looked really cool so far. I'm actually liking this. I'm glad I spoke on this. Oh my god. Oh yeah, so the next keyboard I'm actually building is gonna be really unique. It's actually a NFL football keyboard color theme, and also have something very special too for that person. It's like something special too for that person keyboard. It's gonna be really dope. It actually will be for his birthday. For his birthday, he's a big giant fan, so I'm making that for him. Oh my god! Shit. Hi, Zagan. Hey, buddy. Sorry. I'm okay. Careful. Sorry for no fucking reason struggle getting these up. Yeah, he's a big giant fan, so the keyboard will be giant, New York Giant related theme. It'll be a very unique keyboard, so I am very, very excited to do that for him. Oh my god, and I hope you like it. I have an idea in mind, but I kind of need to solidify it. This is so fucking futuristic keyboard. It's kind of cool. Oh, yo, imagine me. Just like every time I'm sitting here doing more and more keyboard, I just think of like more idea for keyboard style and everything. It's like more different thing. And I even found a website that actually will print out like the, you know, like the print on it. And I know like my boss at work, actually he's a big Zelda fan. I kind of want to do that for him. Build him a keyboard. Hold on. This may not work. The ship is too big. Yeah. Hold on. So the ship is out. Surprised, none of my cat really come to my lap today. At least someone in here. Only the oranges, but he's living in his bed. Oh my god, imagine if I have a cat cam too. 3 camera, 1 for cat cam, because he's always in here at least. Oh my god, I hate this. I hate it here. God, the struggle of taking these fucking cat out, I swear. Okay, it's actually the black, the blue blend pretty well. Also using the black. That's right. I know these ain't gonna work because these are so damn big. Okay, so let's change this here. So one of these, we can do this way. This ship here. Okay. Use this over here. Figure it out. Ooh, maybe every video I'm doing is like 30 minutes. That'd be dope. How I end up those one end up like an hour, which is crazy. So many keyboard. Oh yeah, so back to, I got this right, I'm sorry. Back to my boss keyboard. I'm thinking like, you know, building something for him that is more like Zelda, like print out those printing, and then build him one. That'd be dope. God damn it, why am I struggling with this, bro? I don't want to pull out the whole fucking thing because it's like gonna have to dig around, take a longer time. I like how it lay out like this, make it easy, but god damn. Wait. So Hold on. This is a 4, but why am I struggling putting this? Oh, there it is. I was like struggling looking like this way and then flip it this way. I'm so fucking dumb. It's right here. Oh my god. I can't with myself sometime. Ugh. Good lord. Good. Come here. Get up here, you fucker. Motherfucker. Damn. There we go. 9. Okay, so we need 0, which is right here. This is a plus, right? Yeah, that's a plus, so it's right here. That's an equal sign. There, that's right. That's right here. Enter, I guess. I don't know why to put it as the equal sign. Very interesting. Just realized that. Minus multiply. Do a quick plug-in test too to make sure. Pretty dope though. I'm loving it. I believe I have to put this back in here. Get this out. So this is delete. I can't really fucking tell. So that's insert. Okay, that's a delete right there. God, so my mind doesn't make no damn sense. I mean, I would love to do like different here, but I know it's being used for something. I mean, how often do we use the number? Oh, that's a thing. Oh, maybe. I might do this a little different thing though. Ah, fuck it. I don't like it that way. I can always change it. But I do want to make it a little bit unique. As I, how often we use any fucking page up, page down shit. You know what I'm saying? That looks so much better. Ta-da! Look at that. Oh, that looked really cool. Alright, let me do a little testing the light to make sure that I don't need to test the switches because it's okay. There's no issues with it. Still see through, and I like how clear the side, or so you can see the light. It's actually not bad. Not bad. Oh, let me. That's actually pretty good. I like this. Just need to change out the RGB light. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. I'll promise I will. Oh, actually, do a little review on the mat that my friend of mine got me. So here it is. This is actually a mouse pad. So I've been obsessed with solo leveling a lot, and a good friend of mine actually bought this for me. This is really sweet of him. I'm struggling picking this up. Okay, there we go. So he got me this gift, which is amazing. I haven't even opened it because I wanted to do a review. Like, I don't want to, you know, okay. Sorry, I'm off camera, half on. Shit, my bad. I'm so bad at doing reviews sometimes. So, oh, my bad. Oh my god, I can't. Look at that. Oh, it's so cool. That's some Jinwoo. That looks so cool. I'm in love. Yeah. Thank you, Adrian, for gifted me this. It was amazing. By Crunchyroll. Yeah. Okay, and if you haven't watched Solo Leveling, definitely go watch it. I'm sure you heard of it. It's an amazing show. But yeah, here's the keyboard. I'll call this like a cyberpunk kind of keycap style. But if you like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe it. You know, definitely help the channel a lot. Share it, you know, for your friend, family, enemies, people you hate, people you like. I don't fucking know, whatever. Share it out. Help me out a lot. That greatly appreciate it and help my channel grow. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for stopping by. You'll have an amazing day, weekend, night, evening, wherever the fuck the world you're at. Yeah, have a great one. See ya. Peace. Oh, peace. Bye. 觉得加钱。